Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to add the next circle in our piece. Now for our patterns, all of them, the second circle is the same. So we will be doing the same thing no matter which pattern we are using. So here we are currently coming out our bottom circle on this side, because if we match up, we see we're coming out this side. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. And for us, or for me, that's 3 high and then 2 low. So 3 high. And I am using the piece without the accessory. Yours, if you have accessory, you'll have the accessory up here, but that's just a slight difference. So I'm adding my 3 high and then 2 low. And then, as you know, most circles, which this one is one of the most, has 6 beads. So we have added 5, and we need that 6th one, which is where our string is coming out. So we will go through that, make sure we are going in the direction so our string is coming out on the same side. And there we have added our row. Now we want to be at the bottom, so we want to go through the 1, 2, 3 first beads we added again. In my case, it will be the 3 high, so the side your string is coming out on, your working string. Don't get mixed up and grab your other small string. Right now, we want our working string, so we are going to go through our 3 first beads we added again. And there we have added our next set of beads.